Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 10 in my 12 Days of Christmas series, we're going to be working on this Gilded Teal water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors I'm using for today's water marble are from Butter London. This dark blue is Big Smoke, this teal is Slapper, and this gold is the Full Monty. Once my base color is applied, I'm going to protect around my nails using tape as well as liquid latex. As usual for water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and draw to one side and then the other, and then I'm going to draw in some chevrons. Once the design is complete, I'm going to figure out where I'm dipping, line up, and dunk in. And then with my orange stick, I'm going to clean up any excess polish from the surface so it doesn't stick to my nail. Pull my finger slowly out. Then I'll be removing my protection and doing the rest of my nails. Once all my nails are dipped, I'm going to go ahead and use a Q-tip for any larger areas as well as underneath my nails, and then move closer in with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. I have just a few bubbles in this design, and I'm just going to gently press them flat with the end of my orange stick, aiming to get as much of the air out as possible so that the bubble doesn't pop during top coat. Finally, I'm going to finish off with the top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I originally was trying to make some other colors work for this day, and we just had a lot of testing that I wasn't really happy with. So we kept going, trying different polishes, and eventually came upon these, which I think worked out really well. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate the shimmer on the gold and the dark blue. And if you'd like to see all of that testing as well as the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.